Oh damn, the truck's going wild, Redneck Mud Park.
1 to 10. How do you feel about Redneck Mud Park?
11 and a half.
If you would come again, would you come?
Every year.
Every year, baby. And what made it good? Trucks Gone Wild?
Trucks going wild and all these beautiful ladies and these big ass trucks, man. This wild ass party. We're coming here.
Let's
what party you doing?
The Mud Hole Mermaid, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm a mermaid.
Does the carpet match the drape?
There's no carpet.
No carpet. Clean. Eyebrows down. Eyebrows down. How about your shirt? Oh, you got your shirt. What does that mean?
Both of them. One on my face and one on my.
Two people ride at the same time?
I think you use two hands, but I only got one.
You heard it here, folks.
My bigger.
You're in Florida. You've got a Cletus McFarland shirt on. You got a mullet. You got the Pit Vipers. You have the persona of a total badass. How do you feel about it?
Oh, I feel amazing.
Oh! We're out. Does it have a Hemi?
No.
A 440?
No.
A 318?
No.
A Cummins?
No.
A 4BT?
No. 400.
A slant 6?
No.
Wearing pitties, showing titties.
What are pitties? Oh, okay, Pit Vipers. All right. How do you feel about this girl's butthole being blown out?
That's amazing.
Did you do it?
Yeah.
You blew her butthole out. How do you feel, ma'am? So what we have here is we've got mud crickets in their natural habitat. We don't want to startle them, they'll run away. But if we can observe and learn from their behavior, we may can realize how to get them to ride in the back of our trucks. I think they're naked. She's holding an article of clothing, and I don't know where it came from. They're somewhat simple beings. All it takes is white claws, big trucks, and mud. And they're putty in your hands. So, if you have all three, you can do whatever you want. The goal for today, what is the goal? To get, make it through. In the throat? We don't know what he said. Silent but deadly. Check, check, check. Check, check. The sound check's too small.
Flip. I don't know. Flip. Better get back checked then.
This is so intense right now. You could cut the tension in the air with a knife.
We need a backup pocket on this shirt.
Yep.
Because what are we supposed to do? You've got one here to keep one hand free.
Yep, we need
What are
another
we gonna do
one.
with this one?
What
You
if
need
I
to
had
be able to take full advantage of your hand.
You got to, like, sometimes you don't know what to do with your hands, but you want them free anyway.
Absolutely.
So you can like a Western. That you can put your guns.
Quick draw McGraw.
How does it feel to be the cleanest person at this entire park right now? You don't have an ounce of dirt on you.
I saw you from a mile away. I was like, this girl flew in on a helicopter.
Thank you.
This is the vibe check. So we hear you're the captain of this boat.
I'm the captain now.
You're the captain now.
But not usually.
Not usually.
This is Mr. Jake's.
That's what we heard. JH told us, he said, this is his dad's vessel.
This is...
If it was, tell everybody in the nation, if it was mine, it'd be on Meritor's, not 2.5 tons.
We'd probably be on the side in the hole.
Live free or die hard, right?
Yes, sir.
How do you feel about being on the sketchiest vessel at Redneck Mud Park?
It feels pretty good. It's actually pretty fun. Not scary at all.
So this weekend, we've seen more than enough people who have had a little too much to drink. They get to acting a little crazy, get to leaning against everything. But so far, we haven't seen any trucks that have had too much to drink until now. Sir, how much have you had to drink? A lot, too much. He's unconscious, he's out, down for the count. But look at that big oval on the front. No surprise here.
Spring break, OIC, 2022, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa, baby. Whoa.
Hey, that's your guy right there. That's your guy right there.
I'm gonna get my ass beat here in a minute. As we like to say here, we didn't come to Talladega to go. Well, you can't get your catchphrase wrong. No. As we like to say in this industry, we didn't come to Talladega. Straighten up. This is your truck? I can see up your shorts. Hey, you shut up. You shut your face. You. The progress of Justin's mega truck on YouTube is slower than the wall between here and Mexico. Wild is being very diverse by dabbling in the LGBT community. We've got a Florida Georgia Line fan here. Going on today? You're not about it. Say Redneck. Wow. 1, 2, 3. Trucks Gone Wild. Redneck Mud Park.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Where's this say Redneck Mud Park too?
Yeah, because that's where we're at.
Okay.
So Trucks Gone Wild. Redneck Mud Park.
Cut.